Well, we have partnered with ABS-CBN Foundation since 2010. We wanted to provide our employees volunteer opportunities for them to give back to the community.
We organized 4 activities today. It's tree planting, thorough cleanup, construction of the segregation bins, and feeding program for the kids. It's very helpful for the community so that in our own little way, we do something for them.
There's a variety of activities and it's more engaging to our employees.
I actually came from Shift and it was really a great experience to come here and share our time with our brethren and helping them.
It's a Saturday. I would like to be able to show my kids that going to work is not just work, but you have this chance to help this community.
JP Morgan Chase & Company would like to thank Kapit Bisig para sa Ilog Pasig for the opportunity that you've given us and hope for its continued success.
Ito lang siguro ang pagkakataon nila para talagang tulungan ang ating kamay nilaan para sa mga pagbo-volunteer nila, lalo na sa kalinisan. Magkaisa lang siguro tayo, magtulong-tulong. Napakaganda ng patutunguhan natin.
With your help, the river will flow with life again.